To figure out when a swap starts, we need to look at what is called spot days. And that measure essentially when you do trading on a given date, when does the swap start, what is the start date, sometimes you call it the effective date of the swap. And the distance between those two is the number of spot days. The number of spot days is a number of business days that you specify as that difference. If the swap is not starting on the market default spot days, you actually say that it is forward starting. And that can start in the future with a given length. We'll come back to that shortly. So that means you have the need to sometimes add a number of business days. So if you look at a set of dates, and some of them are non-business days, so let's pretend that these two dots are weekends. And let's say that you want to figure out for this particular date, what is the meaning of adding 2 business days to this guy? Well, you could say that it only makes sense to add business days if you are at a business day already. So when you want to add 2 business days, if you're not already on a business day, you just go to the preceding business day and then look forward to add a number of business days. So adding 1 and adding yet another business day gives you the distance of 2 business days to the origin. If you wanted to subtract 2 business days, let's look at this guy and say minus 2b. Well, if this is not a good business day, we would actually roll forward and then we would subtract first 1 and then another business day to arrive at this date. So the distance 2 business days brings us from here to there.